Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with clear prerequisites, target ICP, chosen channels, and measurable goals. Once set, build a one-page value proposition that answers, why you, why now? Then create 3 outreach templates, short, problem-focused, and case-based, and map them to segments. Make sure to add tracking parameters and a lead scoring scheme so you can prioritize follow-ups. Begin sending small batches of 50 to test messaging and timing within the first week to generate initial signals. Once you have signals, scale methodically. Expand to 200-500 contacts per channel while keeping personalization tokens. Use a /B test on subject lines and opening hooks. Measure reply and meeting rates. You'll qualify by asking 3 concise questions: need, budget, timeline, so you can disqualify quickly and focus on high-probability deals. Make sure CRM automation routes qualified leads to SDRs with clear next steps, and schedule review cadences to iterate messaging weekly. Finish by closing the loop. Nurture engaged, disqualify fast, and hand off SQLs with context and next actions. Once deals slow, run a 2-week deep dive on metrics, CTR, reply rate, meeting conversion, and isolate where drop-offs happen. If performance stalls, change one variable at a time. Tweak the offer, switch channels, or refine the ICP. A key troubleshooting tip: if reply rates remain under threshold, rerun a hyper-personalized pilot of 50 accounts to validate messaging before broad changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.